Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here and you're watching the detailed camera review of the new iPhone SE 2020 which is launched in India for Rs 42,500. This is the cheapest iPhone launched in India till date and comes with powerful hardware. It has a single camera setup but a very capable one. So let's dive deep into the camera to see how it performs. In terms of the camera hardware, it sports a single rear camera with 12 megapixel resolution with f1.8 aperture, 6-element lens and optical image stabilization. There is also LED flash which is a true tone flash. Now the front camera is a 7 megapixel shooter with f2.2 aperture with retina flash. So let's find out how the camera performs. First, let's have a look at the video quality. iPhones have always been known for great video quality and this is no different on the iPhone SE 2020. It can shoot 1080p videos in 30 and 60 fps. The video quality is crisp and sharp. The Smart HDR does an amazing job and probably we can easily say that this is the best video sample we have seen in this price segment. The color reproduction is spot on and looks amazing and true to life. The dynamic range is also brilliant. The optical image stabilization works very well. The phone also supports 4K videos at 60 fps and here again it looks great. The phone can also record slow motion videos in 240 and 120 fps. Moving to the photos, the daylight shots taken with a 12 megapixel camera came out brilliant. The sharpness levels and details are amazing and colors are true to life. This is definitely one of the best cameras in this price segment for daylight shots. It offers great overall quality and retains good sharpness levels. There is also good amount of details even when you zoom into the pictures. The Smart HDR gets you great dynamic range and it resolves shadows very well. Overall in terms of daylight condition, this is almost near perfection and we don't have anything to complain here. Unlike other smartphones in this price segment, there is no ultra-wide or macro lens available since it is a single lens setup. Now the close-up shots taken with the camera was again good and it has great details, sharpness levels and excellent color reproduction. The focusing speed was also really good and we did not see any sort of issues here. Now moving on to the portrait shots. The edge detection is great on the iPhone SE 2020 and does an impressive job here. The colors are also very good. Overall, portraits looks great on the iPhone SE 2020. You can also adjust the bokeh levels from the settings. Next, moving on to the low light captures. All good things said about the camera of the iPhone SE 2020 ends here. The 12 megapixel camera takes very much average shots in low light conditions. Since this is more of a budget smartphone by Apple standards, the low light quality is disappointing by the pricing standards it offers. In extreme low light condition, there is too much of noise and details are lost. Also, lack of night mode is another drawback. But with adequate indoor lighting, it can take some decent photos. Now there is a third-party app called Neural Cam Night Mode available in the App Store, which is by far the best night mode camera app for iPhone SE 2020. So if you are using iPhone SE 2020, we recommend to get this Neural Cam Night Mode app from the App Store, which is priced around $3. So here you can see that the shots taken with the Neural Cam Night Mode brings in a lot of details compared to the stock camera. So this is one of the recommended apps if you want to take good low light pictures with iPhone SE 2020. Now finally moving on to the selfie camera. The 7 megapixel shooter can shoot some really good selfies with excellent detail, sharpness and colors. The dynamic range is also very good. The skin tones are good and so is the sharpness levels. The colors are also really good. The phone comes with a portrait mode for selfies, and here again the edge detection is very good. Overall, the selfie experience is good on the iPhone SE 2020. So this is the front facing camera sample taken with the iPhone SE 2020 variant. So you can judge yourself how good the clarity of the video is, and also the audio output from the camera, and this is recorded using the internal microphone available on the iPhone SE. So summing up, how good is the iPhone SE 2020 in terms of the camera? The iPhone SE 2020 does an impressive job in daylight, close-up and also portraits and selfies. The video recording is superb with optically made stabilization. The only area where it fails is the low light abilities. If you are a person who takes most of the images only in daylight, this is probably the best you can get in this price segment. So that is a detailed camera review of the iPhone SE 2020. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.